2 months. The pack at 4, 304, Hooch, Foxy Brown, that boy Ghost, Mocha, get out of there, Mocha. Miss Mocha right there. Muscle Body Mocha. It's a pack right there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? 006 style. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at Foxy Brown. Miss Foxy Brown. Miss Foxy. Look at Foxy. Hey Foxy. At 304. Mocha. Muscle Body Mocha. Our boy Ghost. Little 490. Hooch. It's that boy Hooch. That's the runt. He don't look like shit, but he is the shit. Ain't that right, Hoochie? They don't know. They don't know, Hooch. They don't know you the one. They don't know. They all off the how shit look. And I'm tiny but mighty. Tiny but mighty. Watch. They gonna see. They gonna see, Hoochie. Watch. We gonna show the world, Hoochie. We gonna show the world, Hoochie. Come on, boy. Tiny but mighty. And a Mocha. And a dark, sexy chocolate. No daddy love that chocolate. Foxy Brown, everybody know. The infamous Miss 304. Big bitch. My brother Ghost. That chocolate Trimero. That boy Ghost. This is your moment. This is your moment, Ghosty. Get him out that corner. Yeah. Mocha. That boy Ghost. Ghost is a trophy. Foxy Stallone, 3 females, 2 males. These the keepers. Don't worry about it. They don't know, Hooch. You for me. You ain't for them, you for me. Let Coco out. Hey, Black, let out. Yeah, let Coco out. You can let Coco out. Let Mommy out. Let him see. Come on, Coco. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. That's where they get it from. They get it from their mama. Right, Coco? Right, Coco? Look at Coco. Coco. They get it from their mama. Well, y'all riled up now. Y'all see it? Yeah.